Okay, this is a video for the VEVOR pond aeration system. As you can see the model right there. I just got done installing it in my little pond here in my cabana bar. And there it is doing this thing. I got about a 1/4 acre pond, maybe that, I don't know. If you can hear that little humming in the background, that's the actual compressor. It's a lot quieter than I thought it might be. So I just got it temporarily set up right here. I drilled a hole through the little siding down there and run a hose. And there's a little air compressor. Got it running on an outlet here, out here at the cabana bar of mine. There's a beer wolf, he says hello. But this thing is super quiet. I'm extremely surprised at how quiet it is. So there's the setup. There it is out there doing its thing. I'm getting a pretty good population of fish in my pond, and the only fresh water I got is coming in right there. That one over there, it just works when it wants to. That one flows all the time. And then I have the drain over there. So the creek goes down around the pond here, and it was diverted before I bought the place. This is the way it come. I bought it in 2019. This is the way it was. And there was only one big carp in here. But anyway, the creek was diverted, but also it continues to go around the pond, down that way, and under the road, past the pipe right there. So there's a culvert right down there. You can't see it from here, but anyway, didn't disturb any of the existing habitat, I guess you say, whenever they built this thing. Anyway, I just wanted you to see that I'm very pleased with this thing. So if you're thinking about getting one, I just plugged it in 20-30 minutes ago, and it's hot to touch. That's about as long as I can leave my hand on it. This one's hardly hot at all. This one's hot. Hose is pretty warm, but other than that, I'm happy with it. Hopefully it'll hold up. Bye for now.